Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have the source and tools. Start by verifying your encoder outputs HLS-friendly streams because compatibility avoids re-encoding later. Point FFmpeg or your streaming server at the input, set codec to H. 264 and AAC for broad browser support, and choose segment duration 2 to 10 seconds to balance latency versus overhead. Once done, configure output naming with an indexed pattern so clients can request segment files. Make sure playlists are written atomically to prevent half-written M3u8 files. Now create the TS fragments and a media playlist by running FFmpeg with HLS flags. For example, use HLS times 6 and HLS playlist type VOD, which produces consistent segments and a stable M3u8. Next, transcode into multiple bitrates, 720p, 480p, 360p, so adaptive clients can switch. Once variants exist, write a master M3u8 that lists each variant URI plus bandwidth and resolution lines. This tells the player how to choose streams. Then verify segment continuity and timestamps to finish, host the M3u8 and TS files on a web server with HTTP or HTTPS and enable cores so browsers can fetch playlists. Test playback in multiple players, HLS. JS for non-Safari browsers, Safari natively, and VLC for diagnostics to confirm adaptive switching and seek behavior. If you hit failures, inspect keyframe intervals and ensure consistent GOP across renditions, because mismatched GOPs break seamless switching. Also check playlist timestamps and that segments are served atomically. These fixes resolve most errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.